Hi there. This is Christy Childs. I'm actually doing marketing in my car because I'm still visiting my newest grandson, and so I'm making this video from the car just to just to keep up to date. So on this video, we're going to talk about Printful and why I love using Printful to fulfill my Etsy items. The main reason being, I'm going to turn the volume up here, is it is so easy. It is so easy. First of all, you sync your stores, and if you don't know how to do that, go when you sign up for Printful, which is free. You can look on their site for help, and they have videos to show you how to sync or connect your Etsy shop with your Printful account. And then if you go to the dashboard and you select your store, and then once you're inside your store, you can choose a product, okay? And again, just watch their help videos. They're awesome. I also have videos like you're sitting with me over my shoulder going through that step by step to show you what to do. So anyway, what I wanted to talk to you about is why I am just loving Printful. And it's because of, number one, they have enough variety of items that I am not ever at a loss of finding a t-shirt, a baby onesie, a tote bag, a pillow, and or a pillowcase. And once you find a winning design, you can make more items with that winning design on the item, okay? But the thing I wanted to show you, and I was so impressed, is that Printful, there are two things that really stand out with this print-on-demand company. Even though my profit margin is not as high as it is on Gearbubble, Printful's advantage is they're super fast to fulfill your item, number one. Number two, if I ever have an issue, which I've had some issues about, questions about sizes and whatnot, they are so fast to respond in this little chat box. That it's just made it a pleasure. I don't sweat it anymore if I have a question about an item, or if one of my customer has a question about size or a defect, which is very rare. So far, it's just been a rare issue. But I know that when I do need help, I can get it really fast with this little chat box right here. So it's not like some supports, it's like, we'll answer you within a day. Well, by the time the days roll by, you've lost another day to fill that order, and you don't want to be behind in your orders. Your customer service with your Etsy shop or any online shop is part of your success recipe. You want to be able to tell the customer, we are, we're on the issue, or we're solving the problem. It'll be shipped out whenever. And that is why I am loving Printful and Printful's customer service. So here's an example I'm going to show you inside my email. You can see your Printful team, and they tell you about it. And see if they see anything that is a little off about your graphic design that you've uploaded. For example, I uploaded a logo with a white background. It didn't have a transparent background. So they put a hold on my t-shirt until I went in and I just deleted it. So they're not going to print something that looks crummy, They're going to print, they check for quality, they have quality control. And I love that. And then when your order ships, see, look at this. You also get an email. First they'll say you're processing. Then they'll say, just letting you know your order has been sent out. And then they give you the tracking number. Okay. And then they give you an estimated time of delivery, which is awesome. Okay, so this was August 2nd. So it only took like 5 to 7 days from time of order to them getting it in the mail. I mean, okay, no, it's not Amazon fast as in the next day, or if you're in a big town, within hours, but It is the best so far of any print-on-demand company that I've used. So I'm really, really, really happy with Printful because of those features. And the other thing I like is they store, when you make an item inside of Printful and then it automatically uploads to your Etsy shop, they store your images. So if I had a mug that was selling, I could go in and just pick you know, just pick another item and you know, and then just go in and, you know, fill that item or put it on something else. Like, see, here's their products and pricing right here. They have men's clothing, women's clothing, and look at all these. T-shirts, all over shirts, tank tops, crop tops, embroidered shirts is a new thing. 3/4 quarter sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, and it's about to be fall and winter in the US, so I'm going to be doing some hoodies. I have sold some hoodies last year. Sweatshirts, leggings. I don't do leggings personally because of size issues, but I know there are a lot of people that do. Excuse me. I don't do skirts and dresses because I'm a woman and I know it's really hard to fit people in skirts, dresses, and swimwear and sports bras. I wouldn't touch with the 10-foot pole. Now, sports bras, you know, maybe, and that's new. I've not even seen that because they're stretchy. So, you know, I would just tell everybody, order a size up. I think this is brand new. So, and what I always do is when I'm trying to figure out which t-shirt or whatever to, you know, to fulfill my items with, I go to the reviews. I click on the stars and see right here. This is where you can read what people are saying that ordered this item and actually got it in the mail. Print quality is great. I like the cut, but absolutely needs padding. Had several girls test it. Did not feel comfortable wearing it without the padding. Okay, please add padding. This one says 4 stars, bought 4, very different sizing. See, here's the size thing. All 4 ladies reported it fit looser than they anticipated, more suited to activities, gentle activities like yoga or daily wear than running or workouts. See, at least one lady will be rebuying it in a smaller size. And it says they were all away. It would be unlined and unsupported, so it wasn't that. We love the product. We'll be offering it, but over a snugger, more supportive sports bra. So, see, you know, and they're probably just working out the kinks since it's new. So you know, I stick with mugs, and I've just begun t-shirts, and I really like the t-shirts because I just put the sizes on there, and then I say, if you have any doubt, order a size up. And then I put no refunds because Printful will give you a refund if 1, they didn't get it at all, or 2, it was defective. But if it's a wrong size, they will not refund. So you have to be sure and put that in your Etsy description. And, you know, Etsy by default will put that in your store settings for all your items. So I went in there and edited my store to say there are no refunds or exchanges, because there's not. Printful will not give you a refund or exchange unless they never received the item, number 1, which is fair. Number 2, the item is defective, because if they did that, I can't imagine they would have to hire a whole nother team just for that. So let's look at how it works inside of Printful just for a couple minutes. They have fulfillment teams in the US and Europe, which is why I think they can do it quickly because they're not just in one location. So it says, you know, your store, and it can be a Shopify store, WooCommerce, you know, Amazon. I'm not sure what these other symbols are, but any kind of online store that they integrate with. So order gets sent automatically to Printful if you have their either their plugin or their app. And then it goes to the factory. I love that. That's so cute. Product gets made, and they will let you put a logo in the label, your logo, but they charge like, it was like $2.75 or $2.85. But if you want to establish a brand, that's the way you can do it. But it does eat up your profit margin a little bit unless you charge more for your shirt just for that feature. And then it says product gets shipped to Gary. So, you know, Gary buys something at your store. I missed that first step. But that's how easy it is. I mean, I've never seen an easier business model online. And I've been online since like 2009. So about 9 years. And this is the easiest thing I've ever seen. You know, I just put it on my Etsy shop. Somebody orders it and boom, Printful does everything. I mean, everything. Now, what I do as an extra step, because I want my customers to be repeat customers, is I go in and I make a little snippet that I saved, so you can save it. And I just say, you know, like, hi, Gary, thank you for your order. And, you know, here's 10% off your next order, or $2 off your next order, as a thank you gift, you know, to get them back into the shop. And, you know, a certain percentage of people do come back and order something else. They'll be like, oh, I got to find something because I want to use my discount, or I want to use my coupon. Okay, so again, I talk about all this in my course at length, and it's a free workshop, so be sure and click on the link below if it's still available. I wanted to talk about their embroidered t-shirts. They're really, really cool. I haven't done any yet, but I just want you to be aware, you know, you can do embroidered shirts. Let's see if they show right here. It's just the pocket, but they do have them now for males and females, and they've just come out with that. And they seem to be really excited about it, so I'm going to wait and see how that goes. Here's some other things. Excuse me. They have leggings, baby bodysuits, hats. There are Etsy shops that have, I mean, just hats. And, you know, so I've been keeping an eye on these two. Again, you can scale out with the same design, like you find a design that just sells every day. I would go ahead and put it on a hoodie, I'd put it on a t-shirt, I'd put it on a hat, I'd put it on everything. Again, I stay away from these because of sizes, because I'm a woman. I know it's hard to fit us in these, and you know, so I don't want to deal with that. I mean, shirts, yeah, you can have size issues, but not like going to the lower body and just upper body. So for my preference, you know, I'm sticking with these, and the coffee mugs I do with Gearbubble, just because the profit margin's better, and I've never had an issue except once with a tiny smear on a coffee mug, and I just reordered it and ate the cost myself to keep the customer happy. But I love Gearbubble for coffee mugs. So again, when you look at this, I mean, you can do backpacks, drawstring bags, like college kids love drawstring bags, iPhone cases. These you know, I tried to sell some of these. I never sold one, so I sort of lost interest. Socks. A lot of people sell socks. That's, again, another item you can scale out. But, you know, just remember, I mean, it's just amazing how many things you can plop your design on once you see it's selling. And backpacks, you know, all day long, backpacks for kids. Let's read the reviews about this. I've not done any backpacks in my Etsy shop yet, but I always like to look at the reviews to see. This one talks about, a little hesitant about the price, $35.95. It's somebody who ordered a sample to see if they wanted to put it on their shop. So just be aware that always read the reviews, so it gives you some ideas of, ooh, I want to, you know, I want to choose this product. No, I don't. Okay, so just go in there, do your research inside of Printful, read the reviews, and again, I'm very, very happy. I do have a less of a profit margin with Printful than I do with Gearbubble on shirts and whatnot, but I love the customer service, and so again, I'm sticking with Gearbubble with coffee mugs, and I'm going with Printful right now with everything else. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Our channel is growing by leaps and bounds. I'm so happy about that. In our course, we have about 113 people who've joined us in the video course, so that's linked below, and you'll see it in the webinar. So this is Christy. Have a wonderful day. I will talk to you soon. Bye now.